Welcome to Granddaddy Garage. So here we are, we're in the garage. I'm gonna flip you around and show you what I've been up to. Okay, so here we are. Dry shaft, torsion bar. This is the access panel for the flywheel. I went and took the strut tower brace off that I did. I might be redoing part of it again. That's all right. I took the plugs out of the engine. I think I'm gonna end up taking the rest of the starter out, the headers out. I'm in the middle. I want to detach the automatic transmission. I'm gonna uncouple it from the engine. I might be taking this engine out. I might go ahead and unplug the rest of the other wires and whatnot and hoist this engine out because it needs to be a little bit of freshened up. It needs valve cover gaskets, needs intake manifold gasket. It makes I think I need to redo the water pump. Gotta paint that. Might just do it on the block. I don't know. Might just take it off. But that's where I'm at right now. I'm just taking pieces out. I'm gonna redress these headers. This goofy thing here is for your smog system. Well, this has no more smog system. This is going away. I'm gonna plug weld the holes and smooth everything out and redo these headers. Yeah, so that'll freshen this 305 up a little bit so that I can use it as a good test bed because there's nothing wrong with it, except for I think maybe I got a valve stem gasket leak on that side. I can't remember what cylinder it is. The second or third one in. It's one of those. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. You can hear the heater in the back going. That's it. We're getting into that. I have clutch and brake and assembly pedals all refurbished, ready to go in here. I'll have to take those out. Might have to actually detach the rest of the dash in the car. There's a lot of grinding dust and everything everywhere. I've been doing a lot of different things and whatnot. I've been beating the front of that into place. I've been more welds. I got more welds, and I got a lot more grinding to do on that, and then back on here again and all that. So there's a lot of back and forth. But once the transmission's out, I think I am going to make the decision of taking the engine out temporarily, just to adjust gaskets and just cleaning it back up and redoing a couple things better than what was last time it was done to it. So it's about that. And then once I get the mock-up and everything, all that, and the strut tower brace and everything back in, and then we'll start heading into the brakes, as far as the brake rear. And there's always going to be panel shots here and there. I'll show you what I'm working on panels. That's about it. Thanks for hanging out. Granddaddy Garage. Rate, comment, subscribe. Get all you guys later.